sugar replacement. Yes, you use sugar replacement, you don't have glucose. But I can tell you, sugar replacement, there are two camps now. One camp, we can already prove that they are causing harm to our body, including cancer, like aspartame, which is in Diet Coke. Okay, so there are certain chemicals has already been proven by the scientific community that it causes cancer. There are another camp, which is, I call them not yet proven. Not yet proven, so we don't know. We don't know. But from a metabolic health position, there have been research that actually has indicated to us that when you have sugar replacement, you will, even though you trick your mind, you will end up eating more. And when you end up eating more, you end up having even more calories into your body. That also causes you to gain weight.